Hey y'all. So I want to talk about something that has been weighing heavily on a lot of people's minds lately, and that is the subject of DACA. That's right, DACA, this act that has extended the stay of a lot of people in the United States that are here illegally. It's special cases, people called dreamers who were brought here by their parents illegally when they were young, and thus deporting them would be sending them to a country that they have essentially never even seen or been to, which is ridiculous. That's a stupid thing to do. If they've been here all their life, just let them stay. Now, immediately some of you are up in arms. I'm going to come out right now and let you know that I'm an immigrant. I came here in November of 2004. I flew down here. I didn't necessarily intend to stay, but a situation that happened back in my home caused me to rethink things and decide I needed to not go back. That said, I didn't just go, okay, I'm staying, and just stay and get some illegal job under the table or some crazy thing like that. Instead, I called around, called a few lawyers, did some research, found out the paperwork I needed to do and the things I needed to learn, and I figured those things out, and I got here legitimately. I actually am legal. I have been legal for years. Now, something funny that happened is in December of 2007, I got a job working for an ICE prison. If you don't know, ICE is Immigrations and Customs Enforcement. Now, I worked for maybe a full year for them before one day one of my captains came up to me and said, "Hey, I just want to let you know that if your green card doesn't come in the mail soon, ICE is already prepared to have you live here instead of work here." And, well, that was pretty scary, as it was like January and I was supposed to have received my green card back in like June. But I don't know what happened, but they didn't get it to me. They were 6 months late getting it to me, and I was at risk for being deported while working in the belly of the beast, so to speak. Anyways, like 2 days later, I checked my mail. There's the green card. Everything was copacetic, but had that not happened, right now I'd probably be back home and not living this fantastic life here in the United States of America, a country that I have come to love greatly. That said, Jorge Garcia was deported, 2 days ago now? And there was a media fury over it. And of course, on the internet, you had people saying, Trump is a racist bastard. Why did Trump deport this guy? Blaming it on Donald Trump is absolutely stupid and immediately shows how blinded by hate you are when you blame it immediately on Trump. Jorge Garcia had attempted to become legal during Barack Obama's time in office and was denied by the Obama administration. Jorge Garcia did not sit on his hands the entire time he was in this country, though he was brought to this country when he was 10, so for at least a decade he probably didn't even know what was going on. But he was deported via laws that have been on the books for decades, policies that have existed for decades. you could blame the Clintons. That's about as close to the mark as I got on it. But in reality, it's not Trump's fault. It could be Obama's fault since the laws that he penned into place did not include Jorge Garcia, very specifically. So if there's anywhere to throw the blame, it's probably on the blue side of the line. Just saying. That said, however, if you are illegal and you know it, start doing your damn paperwork. I have known illegals that had better vehicles than me, were wearing fancier clothes than me, and had bigger TVs than me. I think they had the money to do their paperwork. I'm just saying. So, me, I have until the end of March of 2018 to either renew my green card or to get my citizenship, or guess what? Despite the fact that I've been married to an American citizen for 13 years and have 4 American children and have been living a very American life, I'm going to get deported. And it's as simple as that. But I'm actually getting my paperwork done and paying the fees and all of that so that I don't. And to all the illegals out there, you can too. Just do it. Stop being defiant. That's the biggest problem I'm seeing right now, is just people that are defiant. They don't want to follow the laws because they're special. Ooh, not my president. Yeah, a country whose laws you've been following for decades before Trump came in, so your deal still, even if he's not your president. In summation, because we're on 7 minutes 15 now, DACA is a piece of outdated, pedantic bullshit and needs to be done away with. Those who are here illegally need to get their shit right, or GTFO. And that's about it. If I can do it, and I'm a complete dumbass, then you absolutely can do it. I think I've said that for the 3rd time in this video. Now we're gonna count down the rest of the seconds while I say like, subscribe, share. I need help. Love you. Bye.